Welcome to this video on single-page applications. A single-page application, or SPA, is a web application that loads a single HTML page and dynamically updates content as you interact with it, without reloading the entire page. Instead of your browser fetching a completely new page from the server each time you click something, the SPA only updates the parts of the page that need to change. This creates a smooth, responsive experience similar to using a desktop or mobile application. Single-page applications offer 4 major advantages. First, they provide fast loading because only data is exchanged between your browser and server, not entire pages. Second, they deliver a responsive and smooth user interface with instant transitions. Third, they work seamlessly on mobile devices, adapting well to all screen sizes. Fourth, they are easier to debug because the code is modular and organized. Overall, SPAs provide a much faster and more enjoyable user experience compared to traditional web applications. Here is how a single-page application works step by step. First, a single HTML page loads when you visit the application. Second, JavaScript runs in your browser to manage all the interactions. Third, when you click something or navigate to a new section, the application makes AJAX calls to request only the data it needs from the server. Fourth, the browser's DOM, which is the document object model representing the page structure, is updated with the new content. This entire process happens instantly, without any full page reload. Many popular applications you use daily are single-page applications. Netflix uses SPA technology for its streaming platform. Slack, a messaging and collaboration tool, is built as in SPA. Gmail, Google's email service, loads once and then updates content as you interact with it. Google Maps provides navigation and location services using SPA architecture. Trello, a project management tool, updates tasks and boards dynamically. Facebook, the social media platform, uses SPA to provide a continuous feed experience. These real-world examples show how SPAs power some of the most popular applications on the internet. While single-page applications have significant advantages, they also have disadvantages. The advantages include fast load times because resources load once, smooth interactions without page flicker, better caching which reduces bandwidth usage, less data transfer over the internet, and a desktop-like feel that users find intuitive. However, the disadvantages are important to consider. SPAs rank poorly in search engine optimization because search engines struggle to index JavaScript-generated content. They place a heavy load on the browser because it does more processing. They pose security risks like cross-site scripting attacks. They require JavaScript to be enabled in the browser. And they can have navigation issues with the browser's back button. Single-page applications face specific challenges with search engine optimization. First, JavaScript rendering is delayed. Search engines like Google take longer to index content generated by JavaScript, which means your pages may not appear in search results quickly. Second, there is a limited number of URLs in SPA. With only one URL, you cannot target different keywords for different pages. Third, meta tags do not update properly. Search engines see the same title and description for your entire application, making it hard to optimize for specific searches. Fourth, analytics tracking becomes difficult because the application does not create new page views in the traditional sense, making it challenging to track user behavior accurately. There are several solutions to address SPA SEO challenges. First, server-side rendering renders pages on the server before sending them to your browser, making content immediately visible to search engines. Second, pre-rendering generates static HTML files before deployment, ensuring search engines can crawl complete pages. Third, using the History API allows you to update the URL for each view or section, creating distinct URLs for different parts of your application. Fourth, dynamic meta tags let you update titles and descriptions for each view. Fifth, submitting an XML sitemap tells search engines about all the different sections of your application. Sixth, proper analytics tracking setup helps you measure user behavior even without traditional page loads. Here are 6 important best practices for optimizing single-page applications for search engines. First, use clean URLs without hash fragments and create proper URL routes for each view instead of using hashtags. Second, ensure each view has unique meta tags, including distinct titles and descriptions that update dynamically. Third, create internal links between related views to help search engines understand your site structure. Fourth, use structured data markup like schema to provide context about your content to search engines. Fifth, return the correct HTTP status codes, such as 404 for not found pages and 500 for errors. Sixth, optimize for mobile devices by ensuring your application loads quickly even on slower connections and handles JavaScript parsing efficiently. Let's summarize what we have learned about single-page applications. A single-page application is a web application that loads a single HTML page and then dynamically updates content through JavaScript without any full-page reloads. The main advantages include fast performance, smooth, responsive user interfaces, excellent mobile compatibility, and better user experience. The main challenges include search engine optimization difficulties, dependency on JavaScript being enabled, and complex state management. Despite these challenges, single-page applications are essential for building modern, responsive web applications. With proper search engine optimization techniques, they prove to be highly effective for creating engaging and performant web experiences.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.